Hi children, this is Ram. Welcome to Patashala. Today we are going to learn sets part 2. Generally, sets are represented in three ways: roster form, set builder form, and in Venn diagrams. Now, roster form. If all the elements, that means distinct objects of the group, present in the set, then it is said to be in the roster form. For example, n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. P is equal to set of cow, dog. D is equal to set of A, T, Q, R, etc. Next, set builder form. If a set is represented by a statement using common formula, then it is said to be in set builder form. Example, n is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number. B is equal to set of x such that x is an alphabet in India. C is equal to x such that x is a prime number smaller than 10. Next, Venn diagrams. If a set represented by using a picture with closed figures, then it is said to be in Venn diagram. Suppose you take a set A is equal to set of 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. How can we represent them in Venn diagram? Let us see. Draw a rectangle or square. In that, draw two circles intersecting each other and name them. One is as A and another as B. Now, add the common elements in A and B in common area and remaining elements of A in area A and remaining elements of B in area B. It is said to be Venn diagram. Now let us jump into exercise 2.1. Fifth question. Write the following sets in roster form. Number 1. B equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. Smaller than 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, B equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, C equal to set of x such that x is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. Here, two-digit natural numbers are 11, 12, 13, etc. up to 99. Now, sum of its digits is 8. That means generally 1 plus 7 equal to 8, that is 17. 2 plus 6 equal to 8, that is 26. 3 plus 5 equal to 8, that is 35. 4 plus 4 equal to 8, that is 44. 5 plus 3 equal to 8, that is 53. 6 plus 2 equal to 8, that is 62. 7 plus 1 equal to 8, that is 71. And 8 plus 0 equal to 8, that is 80. Therefore, our answer is C equal to set of 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. Third one. D equal to set of x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Now let us see 60 factors first. 1 60s are 60. 2 30s are 60. 3 20s are 60, 4 15s are 60, 5 12s are 60, 6 10s are 60. Therefore, 60 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. From this, we should collect only prime numbers. They are 2, 3, 5. Therefore, set D equal to 2, 3, 5. Fourth one, E equal to set of X such that X is an alphabet in beta. Children, always remember to write the elements in small letters and elements should not be repeated. Though the word better contains 6 letters, in that E and T repeated. Therefore, the set contains only 4 letters. Therefore, set E equal to B, E, T, R. Next, sixth question. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. Whenever we are writing in set builder form, we should think about the common property of the elements present in the set. Here elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. Are they looking like 3 multiples? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Therefore, the answer is X such that X is a multiple of 3 and smaller than 13. Second one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Observe the elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. They are in the form of 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 5. Here again observe the powers of 2. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are natural numbers and smaller than 6 natural numbers. Therefore, our set is set of X such that X equal to 2 to the power of P, P is less than 6 and P belongs to N. When you give the values to P, you will get the elements of the set. Here, common formula for P is smaller than 6 natural numbers. If P equal to 1, then 2 to the power of P equal to 2 to the power of 1, that equal to 2. If P equal to 2, then 2 to the power of P equal to 2 square, that equal to 2 into 2, that equal to 4. If P equal to 3, then 2 to the power of P equal to 2 to the power of 3, that equals 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 8. If P equal to 4, then 2 to the power of P equal to 2 to the power of 4, that equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 16. If P equal to 4, then 2 to the power of P equal to 2 to the power of 5, that equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 32. Therefore, hence our answer. Third one, set of 5, 25, 125, 625. If you observe the elements 5, 25, 125, 625, 5 equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5 to the power of 1. 25 equal to 5 into 5, that equal to 5 square. 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that equal to 5 cube. 625 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that equal to 5 to the power of 4. Therefore, the elements are 5 to the power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4. Therefore, they are in the form of 5 to the power of P. Here, 5 powers are 1, 2, 3, 4. They are natural numbers and smaller than 5 natural numbers. Therefore, the answer is set of x such that x equal to 5 to the power of p, comma, p is less than 5, comma, p belongs to n. Now fourth question, set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. up to 100. Here we should know about the common formula of the elements. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. up to 100 are in the form of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, etc. up to 10 square. They all are square numbers. Square numbers up to 10. Observe the bases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 10. They are natural numbers. Therefore, our answer is set of x such that x equal to p square, p less than 11 and p belongs to n. Like previous problem, if you give the values to p, you will get the elements of the set. If p equal to 1, then p square equal to 1 square equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. If p equal to 2, then p square equal to 2 square, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. If p equal to 3, then p square equal to 3 square, that is 3 into 3, that equal to 9. So like this, if you give the p values, you will get the p square values. They are the elements of the set. Therefore, our answer. Now the seventh one. Write the following in roster form. First one. A equal to set of x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. Here natural number means 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. But here we need greater than 50 and less than 100. Therefore, set A equal to 51, 52, 53, etc. up to 100. Second one, b equal to x such that x is an integer, x square equal to 4. Here integer means all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers and 0. But the condition is that the square of integer must be equal to 4. Here minus 2 whole square equal to minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. And plus 2 whole square also equal to plus 2 into plus 2 equal to 4. Therefore, minus 2 and plus 2 are squares are equal to 4. Therefore, set B equal to minus 2 and 2. Third one, D equal to set of x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. There are 5 letters in the word loyal but L repeated. Therefore, our answer is D equal to set of L, O, Y, A. Next, fourth one. E equal to set of x such that x is equal to 2n square plus 1, minus 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3, and n belongs to Z. Here, common formula of the elements is 2n square plus 1. N is a integer and n values lies between minus 4 and plus 4. That means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers lies between minus 4 and plus 4. Now, to get the element of the set, we should add the n values to the common formula. That is, if n equal to minus 3, then 2n square plus 1 equal to 2 into minus 3 whole square plus 1, that equal to 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1, that is 2 into 9 plus 1, that is equal to 18 plus 1 equal to 19. If n is equal to minus 2, then 2n square plus 1 equal to 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 1, that equal to 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, that is 9. If n is equal to minus 1, then 2n square plus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1, that equal to 2 plus 1 and 3. If n is equal to 0, then 2n square plus 1 equal to 2 into 0 square plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Like that, if you substitute the values n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 also, you will get the same numbers like 3, 9, 19. Therefore, our set is E equal to set of 1, 3, 9, 19. Eighth one. Match the roster form with set builder form. Number 1. Set of 1, 2, 3, 6. A. X such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Second, 2, 3. B. X such that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. Third one, set of M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, C. X such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Fourth one, set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. D. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. First, convert right hand side set builder form into roster form to get the answer. The first A1, x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. You should know 6 factors first. 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6. In that, prime numbers are 2 and 3. Therefore, A should be matched with the second one. B. X such that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are natural numbers. In that, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. are odd numbers. We need less than 10 odd numbers. Therefore, they are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Therefore, we should match B with fourth one. C. X such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Already we have learnt while doing A. Therefore, we should match C with first one. D. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. Though third one is left for matching with D, we should know answer clearly. Mathematics is a 11 letters word. In that, M, A, T letters are repeated. Therefore, our answer contains only 8 letters. They are M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Therefore, the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.